Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you a little setting that we got for the points system. So what this setting will do is it will double up on every item value in the actual cart. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So what I'll do is I will lock myself in and get the sales screen up, and let's get a customer up here. So we've got a customer already selected. Let's see how many points this customer has. So great, this customer has 0 points at the moment, so this will be a good little test. So we put an item in, like so, and we'll cash that off. Okay, now let's see how many points that person just then gained. So there you have it, 27. So they got 27 points. So for every £1 spent, they get a point. So that's generally how the system works by default. For every £1, you get a point. So what I'll do is I shall just remove these now. Put a 27 minus, okay, it's back down to 0. Okay, then what I'll do is I'll jump into the settings here, and then I'm going to go to the point section here, then point scheme and discounts, and then I'll scroll down to the bottom here, and it is the item point multiplier. Don't be mistaken with the points multiplier. That is a separate setting altogether, and also going to be a separate video to show exactly what that does. But at the moment, this is the one we're looking for, item point multiplier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this now. I'm going to change this to 2. So what that basically is doing now, it is now doubling up the points. So now for every £1 they spend, you now get 2 points per £1. So what I'll do is I'll just save that now and nip back over to here. And then I'll select that customer. As we already know, he's already got 0 points, so we'll put that one in there like so and cash that off. And then let's have a little quick look, see how many points that person now has. 54. So there you go, it's now doubled up the points now, so you can actually see that is a cool little setting that you can actually set via. You can even put it as a database override, so it only works on one particular store within your company, or you can have it so it's literally a weekend thing. You turn that setting on, so everything they get double points for that weekend. So it's a nice, easy and simple way of doing it without messing around too much with any of the items or any of the actual point allocations or anything like that. So nice and simple. Turn it on, turn it off. There'll be another separate video as well, which I'm going to show you how to actually put that into a button as well, so you can be able to just press that button, turn it on, turn it off, so then you can actually easily do it without having to even go to the settings section. So there you have it. Do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you next time.